How to add signature in Gorgias-2025. Follow these instructions. Sign into your Gorgias account from your browser and access the dashboard to begin editing your professional email signature. Click on Settings from the left menu, then choose Channels and tap Email to manage your connected support email accounts. Select the specific email address where you'd like to add or edit your signature for all outgoing customer replies. Scroll to the Signature section under the selected email and prepare to enter your custom message or formatted signature. Enter your name, job title, phone, website, or use HTML code to make it styled with colors, links, or branding. Tap Save to apply the signature for this email address, so it auto-attaches to every message or reply you send. Test it by replying to a ticket and checking if the signature shows correctly across different devices and email clients. Thank you for watching.